Hi there, my name is Paul Hardingham from paulhardingham.com here in the United Kingdom, doing a genuine, honest review on merchantshares.com. Enjoy this video. Okay, so here is red flag number one, merchantshares.com. Should you put your money with this company? The red flag number one is they don't accept Visa or MasterCard. Any legitimate company that is wanting to sell you something would accept Visa or MasterCard, because Visa and MasterCard do their own tests with the company and they will say, yeah, the only companies we've got here that you can send money through, Nutella, OK Pay, Payair, Pay2, Perfect Money and Solid Trust Pay. If Visa and MasterCard, if the banks and the merchants don't accept merchant shares, there must be a reason for that, and you've got to be very, very careful. So that's the big red flag number one. Red flag number two, merchantshares.com. Here is something which really identifies this as a huge scam, and that is that the page here, how much to invest. You can invest any amount between $10 to $10,000 in a single deposit, and you can make unlimited numbers of deposits. But you are giving your money direct to merchant shares. You're not putting it in a separate broker where your money is safe, it's regulated, and you've got access to that money anytime you want. You are spending your money direct to merchant shares. So again, big red warning sign. Any company that's asking you for the money, the investment money, direct to them is a big red warning sign. If you're going to trade in the markets, then you can put your money in a broker, and merchant shares should be able to send their signals to your broker if they wanted to do that, make those investments for you. So that again, huge red flag warning sign. Another big red flag warning sign is the amount that they promise you're going to make. Daily returns up to 2.25% per day. Now, if they did manage to do 2.25% per day, if you work out what would that give you in 1,000 days, you would actually be looking at over 4.6 billion times return on your money. So could you really in 1,000 days turn £1,000 or $1,000 into $1 trillion in just 1,000 days? Totally unrealistic figures. Not only that, but when you look at their actual statistics on their performance, they've never had a losing day. And again, if you're talking about investments in real companies, in real stocks, in real FX, in real markets will always carry a level of risk where you will always expect to see some losing days. And they're not showing that, so they're just wanting you to part with your money so they can grab it off you and you never see it again. Another big red flag here. You've probably been invited to have a look at merchant shares by a close friend or someone that you would trust and respect. But merchant shares has a referral system where you receive 5% of the investment portfolio of someone that you've referred to the business. That is a huge red flag because you're getting rewarded based on the amount of money that they invest and not based on them simply being a customer. So again, that is a big red flag because people have this huge incentive to refer you simply because the bigger your investment, the more money they're going to make. Here's another red flag. Go to who.is and search for who owns the domain name merchantshares.com. We'll see here that the domain is Privacy Protection Service, so they are hiding their details. Why would they be hiding their details? If this was a legitimate business trading in real stocks, real forex and so on, they wouldn't hide these details. The reason they're hiding it is because they have something to hide. Here's another red flag. The company supposedly is incorporated in Dominica, the Commonwealth of Dominica. I don't know about where you're watching this, but in the UK, we are very strongly advised do not be making investments in a company that is an offshore tax haven, which is very difficult for the authorities to get your money back when you discover that this is a total scam. So again, there's a big warning sign. They're not registered in the UK or the US mainland, and there's a reason they're not doing that is because they are fake fraudsters. But here on the Merchant Shares website, there's the contact us details, and so here's the phone number for Dominica, Rossau, Dominica. So let's go to my Skype and let's give this number a call and see what happens.
Welcome to Merchant Shares, formerly known as Service Merchants Corporation.
If you know the extension of the person you would like to speak to, you can enter it now. For sales, press 1. For information about our opening hours, press 2. For all other inquiries, press 3 or stay on the line.
Okay, so a very pleasant message, but a recording, no one actually there. Let's see what happens if we just stay on the line.
Please wait while we connect your call. The person you are calling is currently not available.
There's a
Please leave a
surprise.
message after the tone.
Okay, so no one answering on that call. Let's just check the times of their offices on the message as well. I called it earlier. It's between 9 and 6 p.m. and the local time now is 9:13. So they're not open, they're not on lunch break, but there's no one there. You're never going to be able to speak to them. The only people, if you do manage to speak to them, remember, are going to be scammers, probably in Nigeria or in Russia or somewhere like that. So don't go investing money with merchant shares. So I hope you found this genuine review useful for you. Hopefully you haven't lost any money to merchant shares yet. If you have and you're now struggling to get your money out, please do get in touch. We've got a legal team that would be very interested in helping you. So contact me on Skype. Make sure you message me first of all so that I know why you're contacting me, so I know you're not a scammer, that you've watched this video and that you want to take some legal action against merchant shares, so we see if we can get your money back and get them closed down before more and more people lose even more money. Thanks for watching. My name's Paul Hardingham from paulhardingham.com.